Hi, it's Barry. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all the things that were in the September Penspiration box from Cloth and Paper. So we start off with the envelope that the pens come in, and I've seen a lot of people put comments that they really enjoyed this one. We of course have a monthly card to use, and it's really nice that it's not dated so that you can use it whenever you want. Fits great in a lot of planner pockets. The Penspiration board is interesting color. Clearly goes with the theme of the box this month, the items that came in the stationery box. If you haven't seen that, I'll link it right up here. Most of you, I think, know that this is initially done not just to show you the inspiration board, but also to do a pen test sheet on the back. I personally have never done a pen test on the back because sometimes I use the cards as deco, and I have another location where I do my pen tests. We got this journal card, which is very attractive, and we received these intention sticky notes. The idea is to start off your day writing some intentions. They're the regular 3x3 post-it style notes, and there's a space for the date that you could put right up there. So let's get started with the pens. First of all, they are all 0.5. Personally, I was really hoping that at least on one of the pens we would get some variety, like a 0.38, hint hint. The first two pens that I'm going to show you have a conical nib, and the last three have a needle nose nib, and they're all click pens. So first up, we've got the Snow White gel pen, and this is the only one that's not black ink, and it is green, and it's a really nice green color. I think it would be a great accent color, and it almost seemed a little bit smaller than a 0.5 to me, maybe because of the conical nib, I'm not sure. The next pen is a Keiko green pen. It looks almost like it was going to be one of those Zenith pens when I first looked at it, and did not look like a typical Keiko green. Keiko green pens were really a little bit more popular a few years ago. They came in a lot of different colors. I mean, I have them in black and white also. They have a very smooth velvety type body, and they're very comfortable to write with. This one is a little bit different in that it has some metal on it, and it has a little bit more heft than their other pens. This one is the Domi Umemi gel pen, and it has a very smooth feel to it, and it's more hexagon in shape, which, you know, that's nice because it's not going to roll on the desk. However, I found that when I was writing with it, that my grip slipped. So I would find this pen hard to use if I was writing for a long period of time. This one debuted during Happy Hour last week, and it is the Languo Iridescent Gel Pen. And this has a clip similar to other pens that you have seen recently. And if you haven't used these before, you just press down and it opens, which is nice. That's a nice feature. It also has a very comfy grip on it, and I enjoyed writing with it. This is the M&G Extra pen, and it's the only one that came in multiple colors, so it's just random what you got. I got the pink, but it also came in yellow, orange, green, and gray. And I'd love to see those other colors if you did get one. I found it comfortable to write with and very smooth writing. So just to recap, and you can see how these pens wrote, all 0.5, the first two having the conical nib, and the last three having the needle tip nib. And I think it was a good package, and especially if you are getting this as the Penspiration with the stationery box, because it's not as expensive that way. It is a good value considering you're getting the post-it notes and all of the other things. I'm just hoping that we're going to get a little bit of variety beyond 5 click pens that were 0.5. That's just my personal opinion. So hope you enjoyed that. Of course, I'm doing a giveaway, and it will be something from this box. All you have to do is be sure you're subscribed, like the video, and tell me which of the 5 pens was your favorite. Thanks for watching. See you next time around.